Let's go driving. As you can see, I've got 4 lights, 4 red lights. The one to the far left, that's for making a U-turn here. The other 3 is for, well, 2, it's for driving straight. We have some weird signs, some weird lights, but you have to understand them, otherwise you could be in a whole lot of trouble. Especially if you're not reacting properly to the signs and you have cars behind you, then they're gonna start honking and swearing at you. Okay, left, right, got two green lights ahead, and as you can see we have 2 red lights, and that's for making U-turns, and 2 green lights, which is for driving straight. Observe pedestrians walking across the road. It's not a crosswalk, but you know, you don't want to hit them, so you slow down and let them go. Even though they're breaking the law, they're not supposed to be doing that. They're supposed to cross at the crosswalk. Okay, see, I stopped at the proper distance there. I can see where the tire of that vehicle makes contact with the road surface. Okay, we got red lights ahead.
Oh, we're starting over.
Now we have green lights. Now this guy wants to do something. He has his right flashes on. We'll just have to wait. Okay, he's out of the way. Now we have green lights, but I've got a bus that just pulled out in front of me. It's amber, but I'm there, so I go through. Of course, you know you're supposed to yield to the bus. That's the law. Okay, I've got red lights ahead of this bus, and the same thing here. I can stop where I can actually see where the tire makes contact with the roadway. And again, the reason for that space, if that bus died right there, I would have sufficient room to get out there. If I was on the bus, I'd be like right here, and then the bus died, then I'm stuck. That means the cars behind me, they would have to back up in order for me to get out. But most likely they won't be that polite to back up. They'll just start swearing and honking. So always try to keep or stop at the proper distance to avoid any problems on the road. Okay, so I check left, right, and I've got the green arrows, meaning drive straight. Okay, so the bus is gone to the right lane. So now I'll be able to beat him to the punch. Now you see the line, now you don't. Stop. Now when the light changes, I check left, right. Go. Left, right. Still green. Left, right. And my speed is 40, and that's the required speed. There's a sign that says 40 maximum. See that sign? It says no left turn. Also that sign, it says no U-turn. So you gotta be sharp, you gotta see these things. Oh, it turns amber and I'm way behind, so I have to stop. Now you see it, now you don't.
So we start this over.
As you can see ahead, you have two signs that suggest no left turn. And then this, you have two green arrows, and that's for U-turn. So see that car? He just made a U-turn. Okay, it's green, so left, right, and I'm gone. And we have a green light here. We're going straight. Oh, notice this car is backing up to allow this vehicle to parallel park. Okay. So now, oh, I got the amber light, so I have to stop. Now you see the line, now you see the line, now you don't, so this stop. Now notice the lights are red and this car is beside me. Most likely he wants to make a right turn, but the sign there suggests no right turn on red. So he has to wait until it turns green before making the right turn. And that's exactly what he's doing. He's making a right turn, but he had to wait for the lights to turn green, because the sign suggests no right turn on red. Okay, what is this guy doing? I guess I have to signal and move over to pass him, and signal, check to move over to the right again, and it's green, left, right. Okay, I intend to make a right at the next light. This guy's coming out, so I let him. Okay, the lights ahead just turned green, so I put my right signal on, check my mirror and my blind spot, and into the right turn lane. And we've got pedestrians, so I just turn my wheel and wait until it's safe to make this turn. And it's safe. Okay. Make my turn. There's a vehicle in front of me, so signal left, mirror blind spot, move over. Whoa. Bad roads. Whoa. Gee, I'm all over the road. Really bad roads with a lot of potholes. Just a rough drive. Proper distance. Check left, right, and I'm gone. Distance there, but the lights just turned green, and they also have a green arrow, so these guys can make a left turn. Green arrow is gone, so it's just driving straight. This guy wants to do a lane change to the left, so I just let him. He doesn't want to take it, so I'll just pass him. Left, right. Well, I'm coming close to the end of this lesson. So just a reminder to please share, thumbs up, and subscribe. Left, right. Needs to make a left, but it's busy, so I'm gonna do a lane change, and it's turn amber, so I'm out of there. Signal left, check, and over again. Now I'm looking for a parking space somewhere along here, but it doesn't seem as if that's gonna happen. Oh my goodness. Okay. Signal and check and see what's going on here. So it says no standing 7 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 7 p.m. Monday to Friday. No parking 9 a.m. to 4 Monday to Friday. Okay, so I cannot park here, so I have to find some other place to park. Now this ambulance is in front of me, and I intend to make a right turn in front of him, so I have to go over to this lane. Then I can, once the light turns green and these cars are out of the way, then I can make a right turn at the lights. Okay, the light just turned green. I intend to make a right, so I check the mirror and the shoulder because a bicycle could be there, and when it's safe I'll make this right turn. So I'm waiting for the pedestrians, and they're out of the way, so I can make my turn. Okay, again I'm gonna be looking for a parking space. Oh boy, I'm out of luck. Yeah, nowhere to park.